This is a short video about my Woodgrain Copal flip clock model RP162, which will be / is for sale in my Etsy shop. It's a very basic flip clock with an alarm. That is a basic design. The wood grain, of course, is not real wood. It's printed, and as with most of these which are used, it's slightly worn off. So you can see the base color, which is a light brownish. There is some slight damage, heat to it, which doesn't affect the workings of the clock, at all. The light is in perfect working condition, and other than some normal wear and tear, cosmetically it is in a very good condition. I'll just show you the bottom with the label. There you can read it, and the plug, which is a normal EU plug.